Today I'm back with another paint project, and it's to give the doors behind me a glow up. So as we like to say at Inspirations Paint, no hallway project gets left behind, and that includes this baby. So the doors that we have here were previously painted with an oil-based paint because it is in an older home. So we have gone through and given them a sand, taken the sheen off the paint, and we're now going to go in with a primer. Now, there are certain undercoats on the market that do different things, but for this particular project, to make sure that our top coat sticks, we are using Dulux Precision Max Adhesion Primer. This will give us the best chance for our top coat to stick. It takes about 4 hours for the curing of this layer, so we're going to focus purely on this one today and then come back tomorrow and come in with our fun top coat. So for the top coat, we are going to use the beautiful Porters in Aqua Satin, and the colour we've chosen is Aniseed, which is their black shade. So it's going to give this hallway some depth and character, and inject a bit of industrial personality into this home. And I will be applying the paint with a roller and making sure I'm using a roller that has a really short nap, because we are playing with paint that does have a little bit more of a sheen. So if you go in with a longer nap roller, you're only going to add texture into what you want to be a nice, beautiful, smooth finish. We've also removed the handles. Now these handles are old and they have received paint previously that has been a quick job, and the paint has gone all over the handles. So when you are creating a feature door like we are with black, we want to make sure as well the handles then don't become a contrasting feature in a bad way. So we are also going to be spray painting those handles and giving them a fresh coat, because we love the vintage feel of these handles. They have so much character and we want to play into that. We don't want to remove that. So this is going to be the best way to do that. So the Dulux Metal Shield range is great for spray painting even the aluminium frames of your windows in your home, but it can also be used on your handles and your fittings and fixtures and things like that.